No, come on. Let's go see what Mama's doing. You got your videos? I mean, Campbell, he's got his YouTube. It's warm, definitely. Even though the sun is like really low in the sky. Do you think there's water under all this brush right here? This is marshland. Watch out for the gators.
Campbell with his iPad, probably scaring the birds away.
I know. How are we gonna bird watch, Campbell? I don't see any birds in the sky. Not a single one. Must be that time of year.
Hey, I can hear them.
I think you're hearing the squeaky boards. Oh, there's a single bird. That's beautiful. He's like, guys, did I sleep too long? Is it time to migrate?
Wasn't there like a boardwalk or something?
Yeah, with a few benches to relax and chill and reflect if one desires. There's a no reflecting sign, but how do they know what we're thinking? We might be thinking about the future for all they know. Here comes the wooden bridge. You're walking funny, Campbell. Here, stop. Let me fix your shoe. Stop. Nice. All right, let's keep going. Careful across this bridge, Campbell. Yeah, what's that smell? Yeah. That looks like a pungent plant. Manzanita. Oh, a couple birds. They're sanctuating. There's like 4 birds in that tree over there, hon.
Yeah, I see them.
Yeah, I don't remember it this far. All right. You've gotten us this far. What is it, Campbell? Are you taking a break, sweet boy? Come on, Campbell. You've got this. Come on, Campbell. Take a quick snapshot of my sweet boy. Come on, Precious. Oh, that's the speed I'm looking for. Pick up the pace. I love it. What is that I see in your step? Is that Pep? Yeah, he's hauling. You're almost to the end of the bridge, Campbell. Terra firma ahead. Press on. You're almost there, Campbell. A little farther, like 12 feet. Yes. We made it. Hey, Campbell. You want to ask us something? Yeah. Oh, you just want to plop down right here. You're done? Is that what's going on right now? Are you done? Campbell, look, there's a big bench over there. Talk. I think you said you said you wanted Chipotle. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want
Yeah.
Taco Bell or Chipotle?
Yeah.
Taco Bell.
All right, you got Taco Bell. We'll get that on the way home. Pick up BB. Come on. Let me help. Wow. Campbell, have a seat. Come over here. Sit down right here. There we go, bud. Now the sun's not in our eyes. Oh, look at all the birds. Look at that, honey. There's a whole flock. Oh, behind. Wow, there's a ton of birds over there. Oh, look at the massive.
You hear them?
See it right across the ground there? That's what's making that noise. What do you think they are? Ducks?
I don't know. They sure.
They're loud. Yeah, they sound like ducks.
RS. This is RS.
The family
Always have to say
there.
something before they actually see it. No,
Oh,
this is
look.
not RS. This isn't RS.
Two flocks passing each other.
Doctor referring to the people that say, oh, jumping to conclusions. And you're like, oh, I've never seen Bigfoot.
Yeah, they're all
You know that. It's just an observation. That is
traveling in
RS.
flocks.
Anyways, so anyway, we got the final
Another huge flock. Look at that, honey.
And this is a weird thing setup. We got Siemens UMMT remote
Focus your eyes.
control, and we put it on
You'll see it.
Oh,
It's
wow.
huge. Wow. It's like a living organism. It's like reshaping itself as it goes. It's really cool. I love it. Man, I wish the camera would pick it up. You can kind of see it. I think. Let me try to zoom. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm catching it.
And right over there is the old panel. Alright, so the panel we got.
That is a big string of birds right there.
Very, very, very nice. It's very well built.
Wow. I think let's end it there. That's beautiful.
Wow.
Bye, everyone. Campbell, can you say bye? Can you say bye to your fans, Campbell? This might end up on your channel. Work the camera, Campbell. Work the camera. Can you say goodbye to your friends?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.